Okay, let's add our final bit of spandrel area that connects us up to our roof area. And remember, we have this top of parapet here, and I want to hold the spandrel down a little bit below that. So let's go to, once again, it would be the top of glazing L2. And we're going to grab the wall tool. And we're going to grab the spandrel, and if it's frequently used, it'll show up down at the bottom here. And now we're going from the top of glazing, and that's automatically selected L2 because we're there, up to, it'll be the next level up, which is top of steel, but we actually want to be higher than that. We really want to come up to the top of the parapet, but I'm going to hold that back just a little bit. So I'm going to come down, let's say, we'll just try negative 1 foot. And it's not accepting that because there's also an inch command in there. So let me go back and edit that again. Let's put in a -1 and hit apply. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw that and see what it looks like. So, and I'll jump over to the 3D view, and that looks pretty good. So that gives us a little bit of variation in that top edge. So once again, I'm going to go back to top of glazing L2 and start drawing those walls, that spandrel wall. And actually, let me turn on the rendering here, realistic, because that does not look right. I don't know why we're not seeing our brick material. Let's see if our model, we're doing okay with our drawing. So we'll just keep moving along with that. It just looks a little peculiar that we don't see our brick being delineated. And now when we get over this area that bumps in, we're actually going to go all the way across because it is actually covered. There's roof over that area. But we also need to have a little bit here coming up to touching the top of the glass. So we're going to draw it in all of those locations. That'll actually punch through the ceiling a little bit, but we can deal with that later. And let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got. And it looks like we're all set. So next things to look at are the adding the floor systems in, and we'll do that next.